Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Wizz Air invalid boarding card problem. This is a common issue, but the good news is your ticket is still valid. You just need the right steps to solve it. First, at the airport. If your digital boarding card shows invalid boarding card or says this is not a boarding pass, go straight to the Wizz Air check-in desk. Make sure you arrive at least 2 hours before departure so you have enough time. The staff will check your documents and issue you a proper boarding pass. Technical troubleshooting before reaching the airport. Try using a different device or browser. Google Chrome usually works best. Clear your cookies and browsing history. Open your browser in incognito mode. If your flight had a schedule change, log in to your Wizz account and make sure you've accepted the new timing. If the problem still continues, take a screenshot of the error and contact Wizz Air's call center services. You can also chat with their virtual assistant Amelia for quick help with bookings, flight status, and more. And that's it. That's how to fix Wizz Air invalid boarding card problem. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.